The Superintendent of Police East Khasi's District Vivek Singh has assured that authorities are on high alert to address the recent surge in forest fires across the suburbs of Shillong town. Speaking on the issue, he stated that the police, along with the fire and emergency services and local headmen, have been mobilized to respond to any emergencies arising from these fires. Regarding concerns over drug users in the district, Vivek Singh noted that while the police are actively monitoring the situation, challenges remain in rehabilitating those affected by substance abuse.
Okay. With regard to the rampant forest fires, in fact, we're having forest fires at night also. District Police is on a state of alert. Fire emergency service also is pressed into service. In fact, they've really been stretched, and there's been a lot of coordination with the respective shnongs and all that, because they're the first informants. We are also urging the shnongs that parking on the roadside is not present. Vehicles don't park on the roadside because that will hinder movement. We have been successful. In fact, sometimes we have to use harsh measures of clamping vehicles also because of overnight parking. But by working with the localities, it has materialized that people have actually removed vehicles at night. We have many forest fires, especially in the suburban areas. Last night we had in Maublay, and New Shillong has been also really affected. The forest in Mauro also has big fires which has affected the areas around. So we just want people to be in a state of caution now, because it's a dry season and windy season also. We have urged officers to have extinguishers, especially old structures and all that, which are Assam types and all that, to have extinguishers. We also urge people, the public, to use the number 112. In case of any emergency situation, please call the number 112. The first responder be from the vehicle of the 112, or be if it pertains to fire, then the 112 control room only will inform the fire service to come to that place. Just give the location of that place, be precise, the landmark, and the fire service will be there. The closest fire tender will come to that location.
So there's also one question everybody wants to know, whether it's being done deliberately by the department to, burn all the shrubs and all that.
Department?
Which are not needed, or is it being done by people,
No.
Is it like nature taking its own course?
Sometimes it can be nature also, but most times it is because of human negligence or carelessness. People may even throw a cigarette butt in a certain place, and forest fires can happen, or people don't douse off a fire properly. So that kind of negligence can lead to big fires and all that. So we urge public, they should be careful this time, because a bit of carelessness can be disastrous. No, there are many places where it's not that police is not patrolling these places and all that, but it's not possible for police to be in every area. And drug users also they will look for a place where the police presence is not there. So as far as possible, as responsible citizen, if you find that, you please call up 112. In fact, a lot of the public really call us in 112 and inform us. It is a nuisance and a headache for everybody when drug users are there, because number one is the quantity seized from them, or they may have consumed, there's no quantity at all, and they need treatment or rehabilitation, which costs money also. So there's a big problem of actually handling users, because once you bring them, then they have withdrawal syndrome, the withdrawal sickness and all that. Okay, so all that issue is there, but we discourage users to be in public places, but that is just addressing the symptom. We need to have a more systematic way of handling this whole thing, of actually getting them out of the street and getting treatment.